12 most profitable products for handmade woodworking businesses to build and sell. Making beautiful, handcrafted wood items to sell is an extremely creative and rewarding way to make money. Naturally, like any art or craft project, some woodworking creations sell better than others. Before going into the video, discover the world's largest database of 16,000 woodworking projects with step-by-step plans, even if you don't have a large workshop or expensive tools. Click the first link in our description to get access to the plans. Now let's get into today's video. Most profitable woodworking projects to build and sell. If you're determined to turn your creative, woodworking skills into profit, take a look at the following 14 most profitable woodworking projects to build and sell. Wooden toys. Unlike many of their plastic counterparts, wooden toys can withstand the test of time. Not only do they possess longevity, but toys made of wood look fabulous in nurseries and children's bedrooms, hence these quirky items will always be sought after. Put your best woodworking hat on and start making wooden dolls, puppets, train sets and more, the perfect gift for a child at Christmas. Coat racks. Rustic coat racks made from wood make a striking feature on the wall of any home. These desirable home accessories are also easy to build, requiring little more than some chunky wooden, nails and wrought iron hangers, making them a super profitable woodworking project. Fruit bowls. Fruit bowls are a ubiquitous feature in almost every household, providing an eye-catching and practical feature in kitchens and dining rooms. These household accessory staples look even more striking when made from real wood. Whether they're made from a solid piece of wood or from fragmented pieces, fruit bowls are a sought-after item for the home and are therefore a profitable woodworking project. Picture frames. Wooden picture frames are easy to make and can be made to look unique by the decoration, color and embellishments you add to the wooden frame. Wooden picture frames will always be in demand, and being inexpensive to make, are a profitable woodwork project to embark on. Plant boxes. Wood is a great material for robust and eye-catching plant boxes, which make a great addition to patios, terraces, gardens and even indoors. These simple to make and sought after items are one of the most inexpensive and profitable wood-burning projects you can get involved in. Wooden furniture. It's hard to resist a piece of bespoke, handmade wooden furniture that provides a robust, lasting and practical feature in the home. From coffee tables made from pine to wardrobes in mahogany, set yourself a rewarding and profitable woodworking project making beautiful pieces of furniture. Wooden utensils, spoons, knives, forks and other utensils made out of wood don't just look great and can be used solely as ornamental pieces, but they can be functional features in the kitchen and dining room, conducting heat more efficiently than metal utensils. Capitalize on the unique properties of wooden utensils by making your own exclusive and highly profitable knives, forks and spoons made from wood. Corner wall shelves. Corner wall shelves that are made from chunky wooden pieces provide a unique feature in both traditional and contemporary homes. These woodworking projects are fun to try and, other than the wood and glue, cost next to nothing, meaning you can sell your creative inventions for a tidy profit. Birdhouses. Birdhouses look fantastic when they are made from a high-quality wood, and they aren't as difficult to make as you might have thought. Start knocking together redwood, cedar, pine or cypress and you'll have a desirable product bird enthusiasts will want to buy from you. Wooden pallet Christmas trees. Wooden pallet Christmas trees are incredibly easy to make and can be sold for a tidy profit for those seeking a quirky alternative to a real Christmas tree. Simply build your tree by placing pieces of pallet wood on top of one another and add some pretty Christmas decorations for a creative woodwork project you can sell for a profit. Coffee cup racks. Like coat hangers but on a smaller scale, coffee cup racks are easy items to make from wood and make superb Christmas and birthday presents for anyone who loves unusual and quirky items in their home. These desirable kitchen items don't take long to make and are inexpensive, making wooden coffee cup racks profitable woodworking projects. Dog beds. Dog beds can be expensive, and for dog owners looking for an alternative to plastic beds, ones made from wood could prove attractive. These sturdy, comfortable and attractive beds for dogs aren't difficult or expensive to construct, making them a profitable woodworking project to build and sell. And don't forget to check out Earth's largest collection of 16,000 woodworking projects by clicking the first link in our description. If you like the video, then make sure to hit that like button. Also, if you want more woodworking tutorials, please consider subscribing our channel for more contents every day. Thank you for watching, and let me know what you think of this video in the comments below.